Welcome back, YouTube, to day 16. Welcome back to The Only Carter, your boy. We are on day 16. We're doing another POV drive, but we are doing a late night POV drive, or a late night drive. We're about to go pick up some ice cream, and then about to do a deliver, and we're about to pick up some ice cream for myself because the Cavs are about to play in a couple minutes. Anyways, hey, if you are new, welcome to The Only Carter, yo, where I create visions for you guys. Hey, welcome back to the people who are my loyal subscribers. We are back currently making a late night drive. Hopefully we get to see the sunset go down. If not, it is still good. We're about to get 2 confections from Dairy Queen. We're about to chill. Happy Memorial Day to everyone watching, or happy Monday to everybody who is watching this video. Hopefully you guys are doing well. I am doing splendid. Just chilling. Just thought about a video idea. Let's see if we can make it to the destination in 38 miles and back home. Chat, I almost got pulled over today. Let me tell y'all. I was chilling on the highway, and then I seen a Q4 Alfa Romeo, right? And he was moving. He had silver, oh no, he had chrome black, right? Sweet wrap on the Q4, right? He's sliding on the highway. He's doing like 90. I'm doing 90 with him. We cut in. I get in front of him in the right lane. I get over. I start gassing and going. I was hitting 96 and a 60. Cop car's camp with his radar gun. I seen him like 2 seconds before I started speeding. Bro, luckily I slowed down. I hit 96, slowed down, got in the right. He jerked up forwards, and he seen the Q4 take off as well. We both get off on the exit. I'm already up ahead, 44 and a 35, right? Chilling. I see the cop car get off the highway. He starts gassing it, right? Bro, I'm thinking it's over, chat. I'm thinking I can't do anything, right? Start slowing down. I freeze in the middle of the intersection, thinking if I'm going to Sheets, right? He comes to Sheets, but he turns right. The Q4 already made a left at the first light. I kept going towards the gas station. If I would have turned into the gas station, it would have been GG's. Once I get my apartment. But yeah, I'm gonna probably get more Murakami and Babe stuff, Hype Beast and stuff like that in the agenda. Probably get custom rugs, a custom table as well. Oh yeah, I'm going this way. Worth. Hold up, let's call peeps. Bro, I need him to answer real quick, bro. Yo, gang. I don't think it's worth it, bro.
Alright, yeah, never mind.
Alright, man. I'm probably about to I'm about to go to Handles.
Alright, man. Wait, the one in Northview?
Nah, the one in Twinsburg. You
Yeah.
want?
Nah, I ain't gonna make you do all that,
Bro, I'm low-key blown about the Dairy Queen, bro. Hopefully there's not a line for Handles. If you guys want to know where I got my GoPro, I got it on the website, GoPro, or you can go into Best Buy. But if you want to use my promo code, just let me know. Just DM me, and I can get you hooked up. 25% off. First purchase. That was an ugly couple right there. I'm not even trying to hate. Yep, 3, 2, 1. There was a Cars and Coffee event yesterday. I should have gone. Should have gone before I went to go hoop. Could have got some good content like that, boys. Don't do what I do. If you don't need, hey, you don't really need a Tesla if you can just drive with your legs. If you know, you know. Can't explain it to you guys. If you guys know how to drive with your knees. Yep, seen 12 backing up. If you know, you know. Look at this view. Why is she riding me? Are you straight, bro? You good, bro? Is you okay, bro? Like, bro. Is we good? Why is she riding me? You have no need. No need. I really almost got packed up today. Oh my God, there's so many people. Oh my God, it's not even worth to go. It's not even. Yeah, it's not even worth. Alright, well, GG's to that, chat. I'm just basically giving y'all a late night drive done. Alright, it's cool. Cabs up crazy? Nah, 10-9. Alright, chat. Change of plans. Probably just gonna go to Giant Eagles. See if Giant Eagles is open. Yeah, it should be. Alright, boys, we're gonna go into Giant Eagles with the GoPro on. We haven't done it in a while. We haven't done stuff like that in a while, so time to troll. See if they have ice cream. No shame. No shame. Man. Alright, let's find the ice cream and head out, because I'm not trying to be in public. People be staring too much. Yeah, let me show you guys the best drink. Best drink is right here. This right here. Electrolytes. Sweet tea is good as well. Apple juice is good. White grape is good. I got no socks on. I'm real comfortable right now. Oh, think we have hot fudge at home. Breyers. Do they have cookies and cream? Oh, it does. We do. We do, chat. Look at that. I don't need that.
Welcome. Please scan your Advantage card to be.
Thank you.
$4.99.
Please scan your Advantage card to begin your transaction.
Please wait. System processing. Follow the instructions on the pin pad.
Check for you. Hang on. Like, want to be baking, but it doesn't sound right. Hang on.
Thank you for shopping at Giant
Find some
Eagle.
random- Oh, I know where they're at. They're backed by all the paper goods. They're backed by in aisle 18.
You mean like the paper towels?
Yeah, all that kind of stuff.
Well, I'm gonna go right there.
Alright, that was a success, chat. We didn't really have to deal with NPCs. Sometime this week the spoiler's getting put on, chat. But yeah, look at that beautiful car right there, man. So inspirational. Alright, let's hop back into it, chat. If you guys made it this far into the video, I do appreciate you guys. Drop some love in the comments. Oh, we making it. Really wasted 3 miles. I felt like we drove for 10 miles, I'm not gonna lie. See, I would have still been in that Dairy Queen line and the Handles line. Sometimes you gotta figure out another way, chat. Actually, I'm just go like this. If I get packed up, I get packed up. I thought I bought you flowers and a man. Let's get the thumbnail ready. Flowers and a man. Oh. It is exactly 8:30, chat. Camry in front of us. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the new one, day 6 or day 17, because this will be day 16 for tomorrow. I love you guys. Catch you on the next one. God bless. Let's lock in for tomorrow, chat. Let's get it.